Hey guys, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are solving a popular LeetCode problem, that is Subtree of Another Tree. If you're preparing for the coding interview, this is a must-known problem, and let's break it down step by step and implement in Java. Okay, so let's get started. So the problem statement here says that we have given a root and a subroot. Okay, we have to identify that this particular subroot is the part of the root or not. It should be exactly same, otherwise, like in this example it's exactly like same only. It that one has no roots here. Okay, sorry, another leaf is not present, the child is not here. Same, exactly same for this case also. So that's why it's returning simply the true. But if you're seeing this example here, the subroot is exactly same, which is already present here, but 2 has a child. Okay, that's why it's returning false. Fine. So the approach I'm going to follow for this case, we need to check whether the subroot is present in subtree within root or not. Okay, so we can break it into the two parts. First, we will traverse the root and look for the node that matches the subroot node or not. Okay, if we found that, we will verify whether the entire subtree matching using helper function. Okay, so first step will be if root is null or not. If root is null, we just simply return the false. Okay, and secondly, if the we have a method of is subtree, same tree. Okay, so inside that there is two things, that is root and subroot. Okay, we will return true if the subtree we will found it, otherwise we will simply return the false. Okay, so let's start with the code. First we have to put it the base condition here. Okay, if root is already equal to null, so in that case we just simply return the false. Right, now we have to check that the root and the subroot are identical to each other or not. We'll put a condition if is same tree, and inside that I will pass root comma subroot. Okay, and if both are equal or identical to each other, I just simply return the true from here. Right, and there will be a statement that we will recursively call the left and the right subtree. Okay, in that case we just simply return is same tree, and once again, there should be this one, is subtree root dot left comma subroot. We have to check at the left side, and then we will check it at the right side. Or if we found this tree on the right, comma same, we have to pass submit. Right, we found that, we will simply return the true. Now we have defined this same tree, we have to define this method. Okay, let me enter this. This is basically a helper function to check if two trees are identical to each other or not. Okay, so this will be of type boolean here. Boolean, name it as same. It's name it as s. One more we will have true node. We keep it as name t. Fine. And inside that we have to check if both trees are maybe empty. Okay, so if s is equal to null and t is also equal to null, so in that case we just simply return the true. And now we have to check if any one of them is empty, so in that case we just simply return the false. uh, just put the condition, and instead of, we just put the and statement here. Right? Now we just need to check the current node match or not. Okay, we just recursively check that the left and the right child. Okay, so here what we will do, we will just return as dot well if it's exactly equal to t dot well and and is same tree. So inside that left left comma is sorry t dot left, right? I'm just copying it. We have to do it for the same for the right also. And at paste, and here I'm going to do RIGHT, right? Same have to do this way. RIGHT, right? And I have to terminate this. Right. Let me run this. It's returning subroot. Okay, R is capital here. Paste it here. Okay, I'm getting wrong answer. So let us check that line by line. First, I have to fit root equal to null. If I found it, we just simply return false. If same tree inside that I'm passing root and subroot, if both are equal, then I'm just simply return true, right? And if is subtree root dot left subroot or root dot right subtree and subroot. Okay, now we have to check inside that. If s is equal to null and t is equal to, we just simply return true, and if s and t equal to null, any of them. Okay, fine. Let me submit this. So it's got submitted. Okay, now I'm talking about the time complexity here. So for the is true is same tree, this particular method which we have created. For this, the time complexity is O of n in the worst case, and we check that is same tree for the each node in the root node. So the total complexity for this case will be n multiplied by n, where n will be our number of nodes, okay, and m will be the number of subroots, okay, same like s and t. Fine, we can simply say that s multiplied by t. Okay, and if you talk about the space complexity, that will be O of h, right? So that's how we check if the tree is a subtree of another using the recursion. This approach is simple yet powerful and frequently asked in interviews. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more amazing coding tutorials. See you in the next time. Bye bye.